Hey everyone, welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into a fragrance that's been turning heads in the niche perfume world, MONTALE White Aoud Eau de Parfum Spray. This one comes in a 3.3 fluid ounce bottle and promises a fruity scent crafted with some of the highest quality, rare, and luxurious ingredients sourced globally. So, let's see what this fragrance really brings to the table. Right off the bat, MONTALE is known for blending intense, often woody and oriental scents with unique twists, and White Aoud is no exception. This fragrance claims to marry fruity notes with the deep, resinous oud, or agar wood, which is a prized ingredient in perfumery for its rich, complex aroma. The formula is liquid, obviously as it's a spray, and it's presented in a sleek, travel-friendly size. I gave this perfume a solid run in my daily routine over a couple of weeks, wearing it to work, casual outings, and even during warmer days to test its versatility. The first thing I noticed was the scent's bold opening, a fresh yet sweet fruity burst that quickly transitions into a creamy, almost leathery oud heart. It's complex without being overpowering, which is a tricky balance to hit with such a powerful note like oud. The dry down softens beautifully, revealing a subtle muskiness that lingers for hours without fading into skin scent territory too soon. Application-wise, the spray mechanism is smooth and gives a fine mist that covers well without being wasteful. The scent sits comfortably on the skin and fabric alike without becoming clingy or overwhelming those around you, which is important for a fragrance that features aoud. Now, no product is perfect. While I love the longevity, easily 8+ hours with moderate projection, the initial fruity notes may feel a bit strong for those who prefer subtler or purely floral fragrances. Also, MONTALE fragrances often come with a distinctive metallic bottle design that some might find a bit bulky or utilitarian compared to more ornate perfume bottles. On the plus side, the blend of rare ingredients really does feel luxurious and unique. This isn't your typical fruity floral. The lasting power and sillage make it well worth considering if you want a statement scent that still reads as refined and wearable. When it comes to value, MONTALE is definitely on the higher end of the price spectrum, but that's pretty standard for niche fragrances with premium ingredients. Given the quality of the oud and the complexity of the scent's development, I'd say it offers solid value for those who appreciate artisanal perfumes and are looking for something a bit different from the mainstream. If you're curious how it stacks up against other oud fragrances, MONTALE White Aoud leans more toward the fruity and fresh side, whereas some competitors go heavier on the smoky or leathery aspects. So if you like oud but want a softer, fruitier twist, this could be a great pick. The packaging is sturdy and the metal bottle protects the fragrance well, especially if you travel often. I don't have any updates or reformulations to report here. MONTALE tends to keep their signature scents consistent, which collectors and fans appreciate. If you're on a budget but want something with similar vibes, there are less expensive eau de parfums with fruity, woody notes, but they usually lack the signature oud quality that MONTALE is famous for. So this one's really for fragrance lovers who want that special blend and don't mind investing a bit more. By the way, is this review helpful to you so far? If it is, please hit that like button, subscribe to Beautyistic, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss out on honest beauty reviews like this. Your support means the world and helps us keep the channel going. To wrap up, MONTALE White Aoud Eau de Parfum is a beautifully crafted scent that delivers on its promise of rarity and luxury. Its fruity opening paired with the rich oud heart makes it distinctive yet wearable. It's perfect for anyone who enjoys niche fragrances and wants a long-lasting, unique perfume that stands out without shouting. If you've tried this one, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience. And if you want to pick it up, check out the link in the description or comments. Thanks so much for watching Beautyistic. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.